how to buy BETH token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, make sure to visit or check the Rex account, as you can see. Now, to buy this token, make sure to open it on CoinGisco. Now, after you open the token, now go to contract and copy this token address from here, and make sure that this token address is under Solana network. Now, the best choice to buy this kind of tokens that came under the Solana network is by go to Phantom Wallet and buy it from there. Now, go and click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click on here and paste your token address, as you can see. Now, click on it. Now, after that, enter here how much you want to buy, for example. And now, as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now from here, select the provider. Now, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. Now they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to be able to complete the buy process. Now, if you face any issue on your buy process, now just go back and click on here to make sure to switch between these on Sleep Patch. Now, after that, you will buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy it. BETH token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.